Write and balance the chemical equation for the decomposition reaction. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes into liquid water and oxygen gas according to the following balanced equation. 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. Apply the stoichiometry of the reaction to the given quantity of reactants. The balanced equation shows a 2:2:1 stoichiometric ratio between the reactant, H2O2, and the products, H2O and O2. Therefore, if 4 molecules of H2O2 undergo complete decomposition, they must yield water molecules produced. For molecules H2O2 times 2H2O over 2H2O2 is equal to 4 molecules of H2O oxygen gas molecules produced. For molecules H2O2 times 1O2 over 2H2O2 is equal to 2 molecules of O2. Verify the conservation of mass. Atom count reactant side. For molecules of H2O2 contain a total of 8 hydrogen atoms, represented as dark gray spheres, and 8 oxygen atoms, represented as large white spheres. Product side. For molecules of water, H2O, account for 8 hydrogen atoms and 4 oxygen atoms. 2 molecules of diatomic oxygen, O2, account for the remaining 4 oxygen atoms. The total atom counts match exactly, confirming that mass is conserved. Identify the matching particle diagram. The correct diagram must display exactly 4 water molecules, each depicted as 1 white sphere bonded to 2 dark gray spheres, and 2 oxygen gas molecules, each depicted as 2 white spheres bonded together. This corresponds to option D. The correct answer is option D. Visual diagram representing water molecules and oxygen gas molecules.